Hariom children, this is exercise number 7.2. Hope you have gone through all the definitions what I have posted you and be thorough in that, then only you can understand the sums. So first sum, find the market value of 62 shares available at rupees 132 having par value of rupees 100. That is par value, face value both are same. Okay, a company which is fixing a rate of a share is called as face value or par value. So a share is fixed at rupees 100 per share. Okay, so there are totally 62 shares, of which each share is available at 132 rupees. That is the selling price of each share is 132. So what is the amount we are getting totally after selling 62 shares? That is the problem. So market value of one share. We can buy each share at the price of rupees 132. But what is the actual value? That is par value means face value. Actual value of a share is 100, but we are selling it at 132 rupees while it comes to the market. Okay. So now market value of 62 shares. This is simple multiplication only. 132 into 62. 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, balance 1 19, 1 6 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now add it. 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? 8,184. Market value of 62 shares equals rupees 8,184. Sum number 2. Before going to sum number 2, you have to underline the solution after completing the sum. Clear children? Now sum number 2, how much will be required to buy 125. So we have to buy how many shares? 125 shares we have to buy. So value of one share is rupees 25 at a discount of rupees 7. So they have given the discount also. Okay. So face value, that is number of shares we will write first. Number of shares we require to buy is 125. Face value of a share, that is original value of a share. That is we are buying, okay. We are buying a share from a person. That is face value of a share is rupees 25. What is the discount? They are giving us a discount of rupees 7. So if we get a discount, we have to find now the market value of a share. Market value of a share equals face value minus discount. That is the original value minus discount equals 25 minus 7 is rupees 18. Now we are going to buy how many shares? 125 shares. Market value of 125 shares equals 125 into 18. 125 into 18 will get 2,250. So rupees 2,250. What is it? This is market value of 125 shares equal to rupees 2,250. Let us move on to sum number 3. If the dividend received from 9% of rupees 20 shares is rupees 1,620, find the number of shares. We are selling a particular number of shares. We do not know how many shares we are selling. That is what we have to find out. The dividend means it is profit. The profit received of selling a certain number of shares is received from 9% of rupees 20 shares is 1620. Profit is 1620. Clear? So cost price of each share is rupees 20 and it is received from 9%. Okay, the rate percentage is 9%. We have to find out what is the number of shares. The face value of each share is rupees 20. So let us go into the sum. What is the profit received? Dividend means what is it? It is profit. The dividend received, that is the profit received is rupees 1620. Rate percentage, what is the rate percentage? It is 9. Face value of each share, original value of each share is rupees 20. We have to find the number of shares. So let us keep the number of shares as X. Let the number of shares equal to X. So what is the formula for finding the number of shares? Dividend equals number of shares. That is the formula for finding the profit we are writing. From that we will find out what is number of shares. Number of shares into face value into rate percentage. Dividend is, that is the profit what we have received is 1620 rupees. Number of shares we have kept it as X. Face value of each share, original value of each share is 20 and rate percentage is 9%. We will write it as 9/100. We can cancel the zeros here itself. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So we have to find what is the value of X here. 1620 into, take this 9/5 to the left hand side, you will have 5/9, that is the reciprocal. Cancel it in ninth table. 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 72, 8 9s are 72. So 180 into 5. X equals 180 into 5 equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So how many shares are there? We have bought 900 shares. Number of shares equals 900 at the rate of 20 rupees. So with this, sum number 3 is completed. After completing the sum, underline the solution and draw line after the sum is over. Hari Om.